Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
On this Friday morning, we're waking up to crystal clear skies. It looks gorgeous out there. Get out there and enjoy this weather pattern. The good news is the dry air will stick around today and leading into the first half of the weekend. Calm conditions over Biscayne Bay for now. The breeze is expected to pick up, but there will be no advisories for your marine forecast if you'd like to do any boating or possibly head to the beach today. We're dry from Lake Okeechobee all the way down to Key West, and that's how things will stay. Look at these temperatures. We're warming up with that sunshine out there. It's 83 degrees in Miami, 82 in Fort Lauderdale, and 85 in Key West. A temperature of 81 in Pompano Beach and Oakland Park, 83 in Pembroke Pines and Hialeah. Good morning to you in Kendall, Miccosukee. You're waking up to 82 degrees. The winds are moving in anywhere between 3 and 6 miles per hour. Let's show you what's going on across the U.S. We have a frontal boundary located just to the north of us with an area of low pressure over Georgia and South Carolina. Behind it, there are some scattered showers associated with an area of disturbed weather throughout the middle portions of the U.S. Ahead of the front, though, we have high pressure in place. Now, I want to show you who's waking up feeling a little bit like fall. They're getting an early taste of fall since it doesn't officially begin until next Friday. But look at these temperatures. Chicago, Kansas City, even the Northeast waking up in the 50s. We've got the 60s in Dallas as well as Atlanta, and then a bit warmer for us here in South Florida as we are ahead of the front. We're waking up in the 80s. Now we are expecting to stay dry with high pressure in place over the Gulf of Mexico, so that will inhibit any widespread chance of showers or storms. But as we look towards the weekend, high pressure moves over the western Atlantic, providing for more of that east-southeasterly wind flow, and that will allow for us to have the typical summertime pattern where we see those inland isolated thunderstorms as the sea breeze does develop. We will stay ahead of this front. That front is not expected to push into South Florida. Unfortunately, we're going to have to wait for that. Now, as we move to the tropics, Hurricane Maria, wind sustained at 80 miles per hour. It's about 375 miles southwest of Cape Race, Newfoundland, and it is moving towards the northeast, 45 miles per hour. There's a hurricane warning in effect as well as a tropical storm warning for portions of Newfoundland as the system is expected to move near or around that area this afternoon as a Category 1 hurricane. Then by tomorrow morning, we'll be able to say goodbye to it as it moves over the very cold waters of the Atlantic. No advisories for your marine forecast. The bay will be at a light chop. Same for you in the lower keys. No advisories. Nearshore waters at a light chop. Highs today in the lower 90s with that ocean breeze. Lows will be in the lower 70s inland, upper 70s for the coast. We'll stay dry for one more day with a bit breezy. Conditions will continue as we go into Sunday, but then we'll see the rain chances increase as well Sunday and into early next week. Have a great day.